Once upon a time, in the cold, icy land of Antarctica, there lived a warm-hearted penguin named Pippin. Pippin was different from the other penguins because he had a special talent. He could warm up any cold thing just by touching it. One day, Pippin felt a little sad. He noticed that all his friends were struggling to stay warm in the biting cold. He thought, "I wish I could warm up the whole penguin colony." So, Pippin set off on an adventure. He hopped and slid through the snow, determined to find a solution. Along the way, he met a friendly old seal named Sven who offered to help. Together, they journeyed to a far-off island where they found a magical spring. The water from this spring was warm and sparkling, and Pippin knew that it would be the perfect solution to keep his friends warm. With the help of Sven, Pippin collected as much of the magical water as they could carry. They returned to their colony, and Pippin shared the warm water with everyone. As the other penguins sipped the warm water, they felt their feathers fluff up, and their bodies grew warm. Everyone was so grateful to Pippin, and they laughed and played in the warm snow. Pippin was happy to see his friends enjoying themselves. He had accomplished his mission, and he felt a great sense of pride. From that day on, the penguin colony was always warm, and Pippin was hailed as a hero. And though Pippin's adventure was over, he knew that he would always be ready for the next one. He was Pippin, the warm-hearted penguin who could make the coldest places cozy and bright. The end.